Mrs. Kafoops.
Hey guys, today we're unboxing Barbie Vacation. And my little brother is asleep. He's only 4 months old, so if he wakes up, we're just gonna, it'll be like, I don't know. But today we're unboxing this. This is everything that came out of the box. Here's Barbie. She's so beautiful. I'll put her with all my other Barbies in the next video. I'm not going to talk about that. And here's her backpack. It's so cool. I can fit my finger in there. Yeah, and this is her toothpaste, toothbrush. And she has like a makeup bag. It's really cool. And she has a mobile phone. Now I have 2 mobile phones for Barbies. And she has headset. I think it fits. I didn't put it on her yet. And she has a neck pillow. Oh, and this is her water bottle. Oh, and she has an eye mask for sleeping. And I didn't mention this. She has glasses. She has a puppy. I don't know what this one's name is, and she actually has a camera to take photos. And look what she has, a suitcase, so it can open and close. And stickers can fit inside of it, and I can put stickers inside of it. Actually, I don't know if I can. You can, but that's everything. It really is, and so I think that's on the video. I don't know. So guys, bye. It's the end of the video. Bye.